Alright, part 2. Another good tool to have. A lot of times you don't have to provide this. Your contractor will provide this for you. But this is a 100-foot tape measure. You can get this in 100-foot and probably longer or shorter. But it's real nice for measuring long distances. Also, they make a wheel that has a dial on it, and you just roll it around and around and it reads feet, which is pretty nice. Now this is a level. It's not a Stanley. It's not a Klein. It's a Stanley. But what I like about it is this here is adjustable to degrees. It goes 90. Excuse me. You can go from 90 all the way to 0. You know, it goes in increments of 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 45, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And all you do is turn it, and once that bulb gets level, you know you got that angle. It's pretty nice. These devices here, this is a crimper for telephone and data. Real nice tool to have. You get your ends, and you put them in there, you put your wires in there, and once they're all the way in, you crimp it, and you're done. Fish tapes. This here, I have two different kinds. This one here is a nylon fish tape, which is really nice because they actually go around corners and conduit raceways a lot easier. And then you have, of course, your metal one. And, excuse me, these are just some standard hand benders. This is a 1/2-inch EMT bender. Now some of these, this one here happens to be a 1/2-inch thin wall only. Some will be 1/2-inch thin wall conduit, and I believe it's like 3/8 rigid. And then we have our 3/4 inch bender. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but there's different markings for different degrees, and your arrow to wherever you put your mark. And I'll get into that later on how to bend conduit. But this particular bender here is 3/4 EMT and 1/2-inch rigid. Now I'm going to say something, 1/2-inch rigid is a pain in the ass to do. And this is my tool pouch. I mean, there's many different tool bags out there. This one here just happens to be one that has a handle and shoulder strap, which I like, and it holds all my tools very well. And it has a little clip here where I can put my tape on. And this is another little thing. This is my redneck ingenuity here. They make what they call rods that screw together for running wire down walls and stuff, for fishing wire down a wall. All this is a antenna flagpole for like a go-kart or a bicycle, you see. You know, they got the little orange flags. Well, that's what this is. So, I made my own. And one tool every electrician is very familiar with, a shovel. This one here I happen to custom make. They do make a real small trenching shovel, which is about this wide, because you generally don't need to make a wide trench when you're just burying 3/4, 1 inch, 1/2-inch conduit. This works real good. And another tool you'll grow to love is the pickaxe. Because most of the time you get hard dirt and roots, best tool to have. So, hope this is just a little insight on some of the tools that electricians use. And keep watching my videos, and I'm going to show you guys some more how-to, maybe some conduit bending, wiring, troubleshooting, and whatnot. So I appreciate it. As of this morning, the 29th of August, I have 109 subscribers. Yesterday I had 90 something. So thanks guys for subscribing. Everybody take care.